The logo of Entity Pictures that you saw here is Girish Wankede's company, and I'm sure in the years to come, this man and his company will be an entity. I'd like to call Girish on stage, and he really deserves a loud round of applause. We need people like Girish to support cinema that would make a difference. Thank you, Girish. Thank you for picking up Gaur Hari Dastan, and I hope and pray that this venture of yours will be the beginning of many, many good things to come.
Thank you very much, Anand. Good evening, everybody. Thank you very much. In fact, Sachin and Bindya, everybody, all the actors. I saw this film. This is a very prestigious film. This was the film which when I saw the film, I was overwhelmed. I had been in the multiplex industry for almost 11 years. And in all these years, with the context of doing various events like premiere or special screenings or music releases, I came across the film fraternity. Most of them are my friends. I worked with them in all these years. And in all these years, what I observed was a certain insecurity, certain insincerity, in fact, while releasing the film. There are so many instances where you will find a producer who doesn't know up to Wednesday what sort of showcasing he will be getting. He doesn't know where the publicity is displayed. He doesn't know the status of trailer showcasing. So there was a lot of ambiguity in the space of distribution and marketing. Being in the space of multiplexes for last with Cinemax as well as with PVR, so I have seen that there is a probability of working in that space of distribution where we can respectfully release these best films, these good films. So right now, Entity One is my brainchild, is my company, which is going to start distributing films. This is the only Hindi film which we are releasing this year. We are starting the journey with Gaur Hari Dastan. Entity One is also the sole aggregator of all the regional content for PVR Pictures. So all the Marathi films, Gujarati films, Tamil films, Telugu films, Bengali films, these will be all released through Entity One by PVR Pictures. So I am releasing all the regional content because the way we have seen ambiguity, restlessness, uneasiness in the Hindi space, similar to that in Marathi space also, there are no guarantee for showcasing. There are no good distribution. So I will be the sole aggregator for all the regional content. But yes, in Hindi space also, we will be doing some films. Right now, we are only concentrating on this film. This is one of the prestigious film. I have seen the film, and this film has already got so many international acclaims. So Entity One is starting our journey of distribution, marketing. This film is going to release on 14th of August. It's an Independent Day release. So, and as I assure you that this will be one of the very prestigious release for the producer, for the distributor, as well as for us. So we are going to also market this film. We are starting a lot of, we are actually initiating a lot of innovations in multiplex marketing, in the multiplex visibility, in trailer showcasing, even on-ground activation. So we are taking care of marketing as well as distribution of this film. And this is an honor for me to be the part of the distribution and to start a journey with such a prestigious film. Anand has been a great friend. We have seen his film, Sindhudai Sapkar. And when I saw this film, this was the only submission of mine that if I want to start my distribution company, it should be only with Gaur Hari Dastan. Thank you very much, Anand. And wish me also luck. And thank you very much. And God bless you, Anand. Thank you.